Sabari Ghosh.
What do you think is common between electric cars that many of you drove here today? The cell phone in your pocket and MRI used for medical diagnosis? Well, the answer is rare earth elements, aka the lanthanides, or more importantly, that lower bottom row of elements in the periodic table that often goes unnoticed. These elements are major ingredients in all modern technologies, and hence they are also termed as the vitamins of modern industry. Now, as their name suggests, they are comparatively rare for usage due to various geochemical factors, and geographically their abundance is far from here. So, it is really important to find out ways to reuse and recycle them. But these rare earth elements are like minions. They look alike, they behave alike, they react alike, but they are specific in their applications. So, the major challenge for using these elements is to selectively separate them from each other. And this is where my research comes in. Current industrial separation techniques of these lanthanides involves generation of large amount of hazardous chemical waste along with non-selective separation. So here in Berkeley Lab, we address two major challenges related to the separation of these elements. One, to have environment-friendly separation techniques, and number two, to have optimum selective separation. Now, who does a better job towards selectivity than the proteins in living organisms? The human body is made up of a multitude of proteins, but each one has a very specific functionality. My research focuses on drawing inspiration from the building blocks of these proteins and to engineer them to develop bio-inspired materials, which are known as peptoids, and to use them to bind these near-similar elements. The usage of bio-inspired materials will also help us in addressing our first major challenge of not generating hazardous chemical waste. Furthermore, screening of different materials to get the best selective binding with these elements may take years. So for that, I also aim towards developing a robotic screening approach where we can use different materials to screen these elements in one individual experiment. Exciting, right? And with this, I look forward to minimize the deficit of these vitaminions in our modern industry.